How to fix WordPress sites not correctly displayed on mobile phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you a few fixes if your WordPress site is not correctly displayed on your mobile phone. Let's get started. So there are quite a few solutions that you can do. So the very first one is to update your WordPress themes and all of your plugins. So in order to update your WordPress, you'll first have to go to admin dashboard, and from there on your dashboard you just have to go ahead and click on updates. If you have any updates available, you will just have to update your WordPress. After that, you will have to update your plugins. In order to do that, you'll have to tap on plugins on your dashboard, then click on install plugins. And once you have done that, you'll just have to click on bulk action menu, then select update. This will update all of your plugins. Then you will also have to update themes while protecting your custom CSS code. In order to do that, you just have to create a new child theme folder, then also create a new style sheet. After that, you'll have to create a functions.php file and import styles from the parent theme. And once you do that, you'll just have to activate your child theme. And the second solution that you can do is clear your site's cache and also the cache from your WordPress website. So in order to clear cache on your mobile device, you'll have to open up your Chrome, then tap on the three dots on the upper right corner, then tap on browsing data, which will allow you to clear all of your cookies and sites, all of the cached files from your browser. Then in order to clear cache from your WordPress site, you just have to go ahead and tap on settings, then tap on WP Super Cache. Then you just have to tap on this delete cache button and it will delete all of the unnecessary files from your WordPress website. The third solution that you can opt to is to explore plugin incompatibilities. So for that, you just have to tap on admin dashboard. Then from here, you just have to go ahead and tap on plugins to check out your installed plugins. And from there, you just have to click on the empty white box at the top to select all of your plugins. And after that, you now go to bulk action menu and select deactivate. Now all of your plugins will be deactivated at this point. And the fourth solution is to design your site with a page builder plugin. In order to do that, you just have to install the plugin and tap on it. So in order to install, you just tap on plugins and then add a new plugin right here. And once you do that, after you have installed it, you just have to return to your dashboard and then create and edit pages or blog posts. So for example, you just go to post, then tap on all posts, then click on edit any post. Once you do that, you will see the Elementors page editing options on the left hand sidebar, and after that you can click on the responsive mode button from the sidebar. And now finally you can just click on mobile portrait. Now this will allow you to preview your mobile preset, what it will look like on a mobile phone. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.